G'day everyone. It's fun day. Not Sunday, fun day. I've got more seeds and I like seeds. These ones are from Thrive Sustainability, which is a nice West Australian company down in Chittering. And I like to buy local when we can. And we West Australians have really strict quarantine laws, so buying local makes sense. And we'll see that from a couple of these seeds. First thing to notice, and one reason I would recommend them, is the packaging. It's the pure brown paper packaging, which means I can throw this whole thing in the compost. There's no plastic to worry about, which is good. So what have we got? We've got a nice little brochure on tips for seed growing success, what to sow in spring, and a QR code to get us there. That's a nice little pamphlet, isn't it? That's good. We have our invoice. And then we have the interesting bit, seeds. Is that how Wallace and Gromit would say it? Seeds. One of the problems we have in WA is we can't get corn even from the eastern states. So we have a very limited range of corn that we can get. But Thrive have this one. It's called Country Gentleman, and it's an heirloom sweet corn that has irregularly arranged kernels, and it's sort of white. So I've got some of those. There's not too many seeds in there, but I think I got a couple of packets. Yes, I did. I got 2 packets of that. One thing that I've been very recalcitrant in doing is growing things for my bees. And I haven't put enough flowers in, but I always put sunflowers in. And these are the giant Russians, so we'll have a shot at them. I have grown them before, never really got them that big, but I tell you what, the black cockies love it. They land on there, they break them, they eat the seeds, and I'm happy to share that with them. This is one I've never had a great deal of luck with. Silk juice or tree lettuce, and you grow it also for the stalk, but I unfortunately haven't had any of it reach maturity. I don't know why, but I'm not willing to give up on it. I'm going to keep trying with that. So that makes a nice sort of lettuce that we can grow. So there's 200 seeds in that packet. This is one of the other nice things about Thrive. They give you a really good description. They tell you how many seeds are in there. But hint, guys, it'd be really nice if we could have some instructions on the back. But we can look it up. We're going to have our Chinese cabbage, wombok, because of the Lady Curmudgeon's love of kimchi. So there's 100 seeds in there. That'll keep us going for a while. This is another one that I haven't had a lot of luck in growing. The aphids get it. I'm not sure if it's a West Australian problem, but I'm going to try again, and that is an Australian fruit, rosella, and that's not the bird. This is great for making rosella jam, I'm told. I never have succeeded, so I don't know. I'll keep a really close eye on the rosella because of the aphid problem, and use our eco oil, watch the video, to make sure that we can try and harvest some of these this time. But a really good jam from those. I just needed some red cyan, cane. How do you say that, camera person?
Cayenne?
Cane? Or cyan? Cayenne?
Yeah, cayenne chili.
Don't you hate English? I think we should learn Hindi. It's much simpler. But I just needed to top up the chilies I've got. It's now time to get the chilies in, so these are a good general purpose chili. One thing with the chilies is I generally don't grow the really hot ones because they're inedible and they don't have a lot of flavour. You know, Carolina Reapers and those sort of things, don't really grow them, don't like them. But I do grow habaneros. Habaneros we really like. They are hot, but they've got a really good taste to them. And the final one we've got from Thrive is some beans. And these are the dwarf snake bean, burgundy. Just something a little bit different. There's only 10 seeds in there, but that'll be plenty to try these beans out. And a key thing with beans is let some dry on the bush, save the seeds, and you never need to buy seeds again. Sorry, Thrive. Have a look at my full tutorial on seed growing if you like, and I go into a little bit about why you should save seed and why you should grow from your own seeds. So that's our delivery from Thrive. It's only a small little selection of seeds, but I've still got a fair stock out the back. We'll have a look at their website, see what you think, and I would recommend ordering from a nice little company. Here we go. This is their website. Very pretty. They do have a what to sow now section, which is which is good. And then we can go shop all winter seeds. We can also head off to all seeds by category. So if we go in and we have a look at cauliflower, we'll notice that they don't have a vast variety. But as I said, it's a small seed raising place in the north of Perth. Not in the north of Australia, it's just a bit north of Perth. And they also separate it out by the ones they grow themselves. And that corn I bought, you'll see, is one that they grow themselves. Right, I have the answer. I just got off the phone to the lovely people up at Thrive, and they will deliver anywhere in Australia except Tasmania, because Tasmania has the same sort of really strict quarantine that we have. So Australia-wide, but they don't do international. Sorry, guys. Support Thrive. Good bunch. Disclaimer. Or claimer. It's not really a disclaimer. What's the opposite of disclaimer? Claimer? I don't know. Anyway, I don't take sponsorships or anything along those lines. I think that distorts what I'm doing, and I like dealing with little businesses, and I don't want anything from them. If I want something, I'll buy it. So this is not sponsored. It's not paid for, but I still say support Thrive and all the other ones that I talk about that are good. And I haven't run across too many bad ones so far, so give your local supplier a shot. You want to give anyone a shout out? Let me know. I'll see if I can find out something on them, maybe do a video on them and give them a bit of a plug, help them out if we can. So enjoy life, and I shall catch you in the garden planting seeds.